Welcome back to Auto Speed Vibes, where we deliver the ultimate car reviews and dive deep into the world of speed, power, and innovation. Today, we've got a powerhouse of a truck on our hands, the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor. Known as the king of off-road performance, the Raptor is a beast that combines raw power, cutting-edge technology, and rugged design to dominate any terrain. Let's take a closer look at why this truck is turning heads across the USA. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor is a high-performance off-road truck engineered to handle the toughest challenges while delivering an unmatched driving experience. Designed for thrill-seekers and adventurers, it's more than just a truck, it's a lifestyle. From its commanding presence to its incredible capabilities, the Raptor has raised the bar yet again in the world of pickups. One of the first things that stands out is its aggressive exterior design. The bold front grille, enhanced by the iconic Ford lettering, immediately demands attention. It's flanked by sharp LED headlights that provide excellent visibility and a futuristic touch. The wide fenders, fitted with durable skid plates and large all-terrain tires, emphasize its off-road prowess. Aerodynamic yet muscular, the Raptor is as visually striking as it is functional. Add to this its vibrant new color options, including the popular Rapid Red, and it's a truck that's impossible to ignore. When it comes to key features, the 2025 Raptor packs a punch. Inside, it offers a luxurious cabin with premium materials, advanced tech, and ample space for both the driver and passengers. The 12-inch touchscreen is a hub of connectivity, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Ford's SANC4 system. It also includes a 360-degree camera, perfect for navigating tight trails or busy urban streets. The interior is built for comfort and durability, making it ideal for long drives or rough adventures. Under the hood, the Raptor is powered by a high-output twin-turbo 3.5L EcoBoost V6 engine, delivering up to 450 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque. Pair this with the advanced 10-speed automatic transmission and Fox racing shocks, and you've got a truck that performs equally well on rocky trails, sandy dunes, and smooth highways. The advanced four-wheel drive system, paired with trail control, ensures exceptional handling and control, no matter the terrain. As for the price, the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor starts at around $76,000, a competitive offering for its segment considering its performance and features. It's designed to appeal to off-road enthusiasts who demand both luxury and capability. The key selling point? It's the ultimate combination of a workhorse and a weekend warrior, offering versatility and reliability that few trucks can match. That wraps up our spotlight on the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor. If you're looking for a truck that's built to conquer the road less traveled while offering top-notch comfort and technology, this is the one to beat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the hottest cars and trucks in the market. This is Auto Speed Vibes, signing off. See you in the next ride.